Hi, thank you for watching. Go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button. Have a great day. Hello and welcome to 5 ways to use Creative Commons for evil. Number 5. Pump up your video numbers quickly. If you are able to download them quickly, 10 a day, you can download 10 a day and publish 10 a day, you can get your numbers up to 100. If you get your video up to 100 and each video is 10 minutes long as 4 people watch every video of your list, there's your 4,000 hours. You're welcome. Number 4, easily find out what people want. If you upload a lot of different Creative Commons videos with a lot of different subjects, you're going to be able to hone out, you're going to be able to figure out what people are searching for, what people are watching, what people like, what they don't like, and you can focus more on that. Which leads us to number 3. Make new videos based on the videos that do well. Creative Commons are great, but authenticity is still better. Make new videos based on what people are searching for on your list, on your videos. Make new videos about that. Make an entire series about a subject. Build your channel based around that. Make a cult. Turn that cult into an evil organization that tries to take over the world. Anything's possible. Number 2. Use the description of the videos to sell products, which, by the way, down in the description of this video, you will find a link to my Amazon book. How I was able to publish this book in 7 days. It's a great read. You should totally go buy it. And number 1, the greatest evil of all, commit the sin of sloth with only 52 videos. That's right. You only need 52 videos. You know why? Because about 95% of the videos that I have watched on growing your YouTube channel, making your YouTube channel, 95% of those have all said that you need to publish maybe once a week. This helps avoid burnout. This helps establish consistency with your viewers and all of that other stuff. If you want more on that topic, I'll leave a link in the description for publishing schedule recommended by other people. But 52 is all you need. 1 video a week. And all you need is 1 video a week published, and you can do that quickly with common videos. And once you have 52 weeks, that's a year. Once you have those uploaded, you're done pretty much for the year. You can take a break, you can relax, you can focus on content that you want then, and you can upload maybe on a different day. Like let's say you upload your common contents every Monday, you can upload a new video based on something that you want, to talk about on Fridays. Anyway, those are the 5 evil ways. Those are the 5 ways to use Creative Commons for evil. Click that like and subscribe. Thank you very much. Have a great day. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Leave a comment down below and check out my channel for more videos. The description also has links to all my social media as well as a link to my Amazon page. Have a great day.